Australia's biggest used car seller now brings you Australia's biggest, smartest and most competitive vehicle service centre. This brand new state-of-the-art service centre combines cutting-edge technology with unparalleled customer service.
And an innovative fixed price, no upsell pricing approach.
Your journey to customer satisfaction begins the minute you drive into our dedicated service centre reception area. On arrival, our high-tech sensors provide an instant readout of the state of your tyres, including the tread depth and wear, plus wheel alignment.
As you can see for yourself as you enter.
Once you've checked your vehicle in, you can choose to drive away in a loan car at no charge, take a free courtesy bus to the city or to Carousel Shopping Centre, or settle into our customer relaxation area where you can chill out or pop into one of our soundproof booths to work, conduct meetings, or binge watch your favourite streaming service using our free and fast Wi-Fi. Our technicians will service your car professionally using the most advanced workshop technology available,
Including oil and fluid delivery systems that ensure that you only pay for the fluids you use.
If we detect any safety or roadworthiness issues, we'll let you know immediately, and you can decide whether to proceed with the repairs or replacement. But we will never try to upsell you on unnecessary treatments or extras. We've built our reputation on quality, fair pricing, and excellent customer service. And our vehicle service centre will only enhance that reputation.
Call us about your fixed price motor vehicle servicing today or book online.